Ano bang pinagkaiba ng trading and investing? Kung interesado ka sa bagay na yan, panoorin mo ng buo ang video na ito, no? So may pagkakaiba talaga sila kasi unang-una, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na magte-trade ako ng lupa. So may mga tamang terminologies and timelines po dyan. So ang dapat doon, mag-i-invest ako sa lupa. So pag-usapan na natin yan, number one, pag sinabi kasi natin trading, it is actually refers to buying and selling method. So ibig sabihin, buy and sell, most commonly short term, less than a month. But when you say magi-invest ako or investing, it is actually refers to months, 2 years, hold of assets. So ibig sabihin buy and hold. Kaya ibig sabihin trading refers sa short term version ng investing. Pag sinabi mo namang investing, most commonly passive investing, long term, hinahayaan mo yung pera mo doon na mag-grow, while dito buy and sell ka ng buy and sell to be able to accumulate gains. So sana nakatulong and follow for more.